Hello everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to make a beautiful and easy teardrop shaped earrings. All the materials you will need are listed in the description box below with the links for you to purchase the materials. Let's get started with the tutorial. Start with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your pointer finger 2 times like this. And then insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the magic ring we are going to work into. In round 1 we need to make 24 single crochets into the magic ring. Insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the single crochet. Again, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now I have completed 2 single crochets. Again, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Like that we are going to continue making single crochets all around. Continue until you get 24 single crochets. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now I feel like the magic ring is too big for me. What I can do is just pull this tail a little to make the magic ring smaller. Like so. And then we will continue making the other single crochets to the magic ring. Now I have completed 24 single crochets into the magic ring. Then pull this tail tight to close the magic ring like this. And then we need to work a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet of the round to join. So insert the hook into the stitch on top of the first single crochet. Yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Now we have completed the first round. This is what it looks like. Now we will get started with round 2. Chain 4, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. This is the second chain. 3 and 4. Now we have completed 4 chains over here. And then work 1 double crochet into the next stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. And then work a half double crochet into each one of the next 20 stitches. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is the half double crochet. Again work another half double crochet into the next stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3. Again another double crochet into the next stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all three. Just like that we are going to continue until we get 20 half double crochets in total. So continue the pattern and meet me back there at the end. And this is the very last half double crochet, and then we are left with 2 stitches over here. There we need to work 1 double crochet into the next stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and then work a treble crochet into the stitch after that. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the very last stitch of the round, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over and pull through 2. This is the treble crochet. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then we will work a slip stitch into the 4th chain from the start. This is the 4th chain. Go into that chain, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that we have completed that round as well. Now we will get started with round 3. First we need to move the loop in between the chain 4 and the double crochet of the round over here in between these 2 stitches. So insert the hook in between the stitches, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Now we moved the loop in between the stitches, and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then we will work a half double crochet in between the next 2 stitches here. So yarn over and insert the hook in between the stitches, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and then chain 1 and work another half double crochet in between the next 2 stitches. Again chain 1 and work another half double crochet in between the next 2 stitches. Again chain 1 and work a half double crochet in between the next 2 stitches. Just like that we are going to repeat the pattern. Now I have repeated the pattern until we reach the chain 4 space here. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, Then we need to work 1 half double crochet chain 3, 1 half double crochet chain 2 into chain 4 space. So 1 half double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and another half double crochet and chain 2, 1 and 2. And then we will work a slip stitch into the third chain from the starting point. So insert the hook into the third chain, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the round. Now we will get started with round 4, that is going to be the outline of the project. First of all, we need to go into the chain 1 space here to move the loop. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. And then work 2 single crochets into each one of the next 22 chain 1 spaces. So 1 single crochet and another single crochet into the same chain 1 space. Again, work another 2 single crochets into the next chain 1 space here. Again, 2 single crochets into the next chain 1 space. Just like that, repeat the pattern. Now I have completed the work up to here, and we reach the chain 2 space. There we need to work 2 single crochets into the next chain 2 space, 1 and 2. Now we reach the chain 3 space over here at the top of the earring. So work 2 single crochets, chain 3 and 2 single crochets into the chain 3 space here. We will start. Work 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, again 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, and then work 2 single crochets in the next chain 2 space, 1 and 2. Now we need to work a slip stitch into the first single crochet of the round to join. Now cut the yarn off by leaving a little tail for sewing. And then we will use the yarn needle to hide the tails. This is what the completed motif will look like. You can just repeat the same pattern to complete the other one as well. After completing 2 parts, we will assemble the pieces to complete the earrings. First take the jump ring, open it up using the flat nose pliers and insert the jump ring into the motif like this, and we will slide the hook ear wire also into the jump ring and close it up using the pliers like this. Just like that, we will complete the other earring as well. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Don't forget to check the description box for all the materials used. Happy crafting and see you next time.